Oh, g'day guys, Paul here from Rotec Aero Sport. Well, preparations for Oshkosh are well and truly, well, they begun weeks ago really. And what's in front of us here now is a Gen 3 2200 Jabiru that I'm preparing for the show. This is going to be completely fitted out with LCH. Marley pistons, you can see here I've got my reconditioned cylinders all been honed and blackened, and then I've got my liquid cooled heads here. Here's the sample of the Marley pistons that are inside the engine. You can see them there. There's the Marley pistons with the valve relief pockets and whatnot, and the machining for the circlips. So those heads are about to go on this very engine here. So it's got the new valves, double valve springs, new bearings and seals right through. It is effectively a brand new engine and it is a Gen 3. It'll also come with our Rotec e-ignition, Rotec throttle body, TBI, and the alternator kit. Literally everything we produce here at Rotec, this engine will be fitted with. And it's also got the latest Rotec tachometer sensor, and you can see there's the electronic ignition sensor. Alternator kit, you can see already installed. As I said, brand new bearings, seals, spark plugs, leads, seal, everything. So it'll be a beautiful engine and it will be available. So if anybody's interested in taking the engine from me, I'll ship it to the show. It'll be on display showing our wares. And if anybody's interested in ordering it, they're welcome to it. And I'll also be taking a 3300 of the same caliber. So with exactly the same fit out, alternator kit, ignition, TBI throttle body, new bearings, seals, Marley pistons, everything gone right through. This case has been completely split. This is a full overhaul. It's actually a beautiful engine. You see, we prepare the rods, so nothing that hasn't been done. New rod bearings, new main bearings, everything. So yes, also aside from the two engines I'm going to bring, I'm also going to have a radial there as well, all our radial stuff, our throttle body, fuel injection, all of our aftermarket products will be there, such as the ignition systems, the alternator kits, and various other bits and bobs. So yeah, come see us at the booth. It'll be booth 647 in the North Aircraft display, right near Kitfox. And yeah, come and see us. But if anybody's interested in these engines, let me know, because these are beautifully built. I've hand built them myself. This one will be finished off today, next couple of days, and then also the 6-cylinder will be prepared to the same standard. All right, so there's an update. Next couple of weeks I'm going to be very busy here in the shop. We're pretty much preparing for Oshkosh, so most of the projects we're working on at the moment have been put on hold for a little bit while we get the final pieces put together for the big air show. Righto, there's my update. Take it easy, bye-bye.